In today's bustling residential service industry, efficiency is paramount. Enter one QR codes for residential services, your ticket to seamless customer connections. Gone are the days of searching for business cards or contact information. Allow customers easy service scheduling with a simple scan of your company QR code. Say goodbye to bulk user manuals left behind or lost. Accessing a manual via QR code ensures you always have a digital version at your fingertips, reducing waste and saving time. Basic troubleshooting made simple. QR codes provide quick access to helpful tips and maintenance checks, minimizing unnecessary service calls, ensuring technicians are available for the big jobs. Make your service stand out. Our QR codes dynamically adjust to your preferred contact method. Choose what prompt is initiated when a one QR code is scanned: a phone call, text message, email, or website visit. We've got you covered. Access secured schematics, blueprints, or manuals. When it's time for maintenance, know exactly what you're working on. Customize your QR codes to seamlessly integrate with the space, building trust with your clients from the first scan. Ready to streamline your residential services? Get started for free today by visiting oneqr.com. OneQR, QR codes for residential services, simplifying the way you do business, one scan at a time.